complete the auricles. Which one? The right and left auricles. No doubt. Very well. But the right auricles, nothing but deoxygenized blood. The left auricles, oxygenized blood. The right and left auricles are filled with oxygenized and deoxygenized blood. When after the contraction occurs in the right atrium region. The contraction occurs in the right atrium, nothing but the SAN node. The SAN node was generated the impulse in right atrium region. Right atrium region. When it is generated the impulse, the contraction occur. So these right atriums are releasing blood into right ventricles. Left atrium releasing blood into left ventricles. So this complete rhythmic movement is completing within less than 1 second, nothing but 0.1 second. 0.1 second. What are they? First one, the auricle systole. But the contraction of the systoles are known as a auricle systole. So the contraction is under controlled by the nodal tissues. The contraction was under controlled by nodal tissues. The nodal tissues are known as SAN node and SAN node. So the SAN node is located in the below of the right atrium region. When it is generated the impulse, so the auricles, the two auricles are simultaneously contracts. Simultaneously, the two auricles will be contracted. So these will be contracted. The auricles will be contracted. There is no the blood is directly enters into the ventricles region. The blood is enters into the ventricles region. So the ventricles region, this contraction is completing within 0.1 second. The contraction is completed within 0.1 second. So that is known as a auricle systole. Auricle systole. Next one, ventricle systole. What is a ventricle systole? When the ventricles, right and left ventricles are filled with blood. When the right and left ventricles are filled with blood, so the ventricles are also contracts with the presence of AVN node, auriculoventricular node. The presence of auriculoventricular node, these are also will be contracted. These are also will be contracted together. So the blood is moves into the what is artery and vein. What is artery and aorta region. So this completing within 0.3 seconds. The contraction occurs in within 0.3 seconds. Are you clear? The last one is known as a joint diastole. When after these are producing out the one of the sound is known as a lub. Joint diastole. What is a joint diastole? When after the contraction, the auricles and ventricles will be relaxed. After the contraction, the auricles and ventricles both are relaxed. The relaxation of the auricles and ventricles are known as a joint diastole. The relaxation of auricles and ventricles. The relaxation of the auricles and ventricles are known as a joint diastole. So this joint diastole completing within 0.4 seconds. It's completing within 0.4 seconds. So the 72 times per minute. So approximately one cardiac cycle completing within 0.8. One cardiac cycle 8 seconds. One cardiac cycle completing within 0.60 into 0.8 is equal to 72 times per minute. How many heartbeats are there? 72 heartbeats are completing within 1 minute. So this one cardiac cycle completing within 0.8 second into 1 minute. 1 minute and 0.8 second completing within these are shown 72 cardiac cycles. Cardiac cycle. So this is known as a first one systole cycle. Auricle systoles completing within 0.1 second. Ventricle systole completing within 0.3 seconds. Joint diastole is completing within 0.4 second. Nothing but completing total cycle is completing within 0.8 second. 0.8 second. This cycle is known as a cardiac cycle. Cardiac cycle. Next, what is that? Rhythmic movement are known as a cardiac. Cardiac output is nothing but the volume of the blood. The volume of the blood is exerting from the ventricles. The volume of the blood. The volume of the blood is exerting from the ventricles in each systole of ventricle, each systole of the ventricle. That is known as a cardiac output. This is commonly known as a, what is that? Stroke volume. Which one? Cardiac output is known as a stroke volume. The cardiac output is commonly known as a stroke volume. What is the stroke volume? How much the volume of the blood is exerting from the ventricles. The volume of the blood is exerting. The volume of the blood is exerting from. The volume of the blood is exerting from the ventricles region. Ventricles region. The volume of the blood is known as a stroke volume. The stroke volume is calculated in how many strokes? Stroke volume into number of minutes or time. Minutes or time. So the stroke volume, each stroke volume, these are exerting 70 ml of the blood from each stroke. Each stroke, the ventricles are exerting 70 ml of the blood. 70 ml of the blood for a minute. How many beats are there for a minute? How many beats? 72 beats. So approximately every minute our body releasing how much? 5.4 liters of the blood. 5.4 liters of the blood from exerting from the ventricles. How much? 5.4 liters of the blood exerting from our ventricles. So this is known as a cardiac output. What is the cardiac output? The volume of the blood is exerting from the ventricles. Exerting from the ventricles from the each systole or each contraction. So that contraction is known as the stroke volume. The stroke volume and the number of the beats are how many beats. The stroke volumes and how many beats. Each stroke volume it is exerting 70 ml. Only one contraction. The ventricles are exerting 70 ml of the blood. How many strokes are per minute? 72 strokes. 70 into 72, 5040. Nothing but 5.4 ml of the blood is exerting from our body from the each ventricle contraction. From the each ventricles contraction. So this is known as a cardiac output. Today we are discussing about what are they, which one we are completing. Today we are discussing, first one is what is the working of the heart, and next one, what is pacemaker, nothing but nodal tissues. The nodal tissues are two are there, AVN node and SCN node. What is the SCN node? Nothing but sino-auricular node. This is located in below of the right atrium region. It is generate the impulse. The generating potential, the impulse are transformed from the SCN node to AVN node. So the AVN node is transforms into the all over the heart through the bundle of fibers and Purkinje fibers. When it is transforming into the impulse, the impulse are totally spreading into the all over the heart. So the heart will be contracted.